fun makeup challenge. So I'm gonna do his makeup and he's gonna do my makeup, guys. So you guys be the judge of it to see which of us do the makeup the best. Stick around, guys.
Bam! Me I say Maximum representing for S&M Jamaica lifestyle, and we are say like, comment and subscribe. Bam! My mama.
Welcome back, my S&M family, to part 2 of our makeup challenge. So my husband Steve is gonna be doing my makeup. So I tell you what you do. I really don't think he know what he's doing. Does he really know what he's doing?
No, what I do?
What's he doing with that lotion on my face?
This is the moisturizer, right?
Okay.
Okay, good. So this first.
Yeah.
It's like this. Okay,
Be
so
loving, baby. Oh, you're so gentle.
okay.
Mama, that feel like you make love to me upon the makeup thing, yeah. We can't do it, I remember we have video it, you know.
People hear that? Okay. So second. Doing this.
Now my mouth. Remember say if you stay far, can we still touch it?
Like this.
Yeah, do good still, but yo, this how wake up your face.
Just touch and go.
Okay, and you're doing a good job.
Okay.
I'm going to open my eyes.
Open.
You can't feel no
Of course. Then you have more.
Any amount you want to.
Alright.
You ready?
Yeah.
But anyhow you do my makeup, we have a party with it later. Do the makeup how you like it.
You're supposed to be good at the makeup.
You like it, you know, good job. Really take your time, you know? Hey, look, guys. Is he doing a good job? I sure think so. It feel that way. How you gonna be using the time remember my eye?
No, eyeliner. What do I call it? That's it.
Yeah, fix me up good. Remember the makeup gotta be anyhow you would want it to be in public. True.
So somebody told me I must just leave this on.
So if we're going to party, you know, that's another way. You have to go out this time, we in a party, so job now, baby. Stevie, do a good job, Stevie. You usually work in a makeup shop, Steve. The way me feel like I do it, I feel like I do an excellent job, like you usually work in a makeup shop.
Cement.
I do my face like cement.
Got it! Got it!
There's cement on my face are two different things. Till me say you know make my face like cement. And like I do?
No, it's not. Everything.
Yeah, mix like butter. Mixing my face like butter, baby. Yeah, I'm going to live the life over here. I'm going to be one of the coverage shots with you. Yeah, I'm going to care. Why? You like authority? Or you like give it or you just like?
Both ways.
Oh. If I had was to choose a career over, I would be a doctor.
Go man.
You? Sorry. You can't sit down, dog. If you want to run
Break.
it.
Yo. Go man,
Sorry. Guys, I can't laugh. I can't help myself but laugh sometimes. Let themselves laughing for me. But for real, you know, say if my had was to choose over a career, I would be a doctor or a nurse in order to give back to people, to help people, you know. You know, so somebody down and you can help them to recover and start walk again, them kind of something. Why I wouldn't be a doctor or a nurse. But I love my career, what I do, guys. I love it. No kidding me. Because I feel like I'm doing something rewarding. I can't turn my face now. Let me talk to my S&M family. Guys, tell me how, comment below and tell me how my husband is doing with my makeup. Is he doing a good job? And would you wear this makeup in public? What else? Remember to stay far enough. I not there.
No. Let's sit for it. What's up? Jesus. Just create an excitement, girl. Fired.
Yes.
Okay.
Whoa, me can't walk my hand. You finished?
Yeah, donation.
Guys, so comment below and tell me how my husband did with my makeup. Did he do a good job?
You see, I put a little lipstick across there, then I blend it. See, it work. See a little lipstick right there. Little lipstick right here.
Would you want to see me on the road like this?
Yeah, you're looking good. But only the lipstick need right here need to fix up.
Okay.
Voila. Good.
Bye guys, thanks for watching. Like up the video, comment.